you got negative items in your credit report, here's what I would do. I would first get my real credit reports and just look for the errors. The statistics are close to 80% of credit reports have errors, so that's what you're going off of, that 80% ordering your credit report and knowing it's almost a great chance that there's going to be errors on there. Once you find the errors, you want to create you a dispute letter specific to the errors, so there's no magic letter. So if someone's telling you there's a magic letter, they're trying to sell you something. So the first thing you want to make sure is all letters are specific to your account, so you can create your own letter. Remember, all letters are specific to the account and the error, so you create your own letters. You don't need a letter template. And another way that we spot errors on a credit report is just basically looking at the details. You got 3 sections on your credit report: account details, account history, and payment history. And you want to make sure the payment history matches the account details match the account history. For example, if you look on the credit report and it says a payment was made and it gives you the date, you want to go to the payment history and make sure that it's reflecting that payment, because a lot of times you'll see it'll say payment made in September, but then you go up to the September in the payment history and there's a 30-day late or a 60-day late. Now, how can that be if you said I made a payment that month? That is spotting an error, and things like that, we want to tell them to fix it or they must delete the account. For more tips on how to build your credit, be sure to follow me and comment if you have any questions.